Hey there, how's it going? So today I'm going to talk about what's going on in the market and what you need to do to get ready if you're thinking about buying a property in 2024. So, market. We are looking at interest rates are starting to go down, which is a good thing. We're starting to see a little bit more inventory on the market than we'd seen in the past. We're seeing that properties that are priced right are going quickly. But what's happened is that a lot of sellers are still thinking that they can overprice their properties and get multiple offers, and that's not the case. So properties that are not priced right are staying on the market for longer. So we're also seeing that people were predicting that prices would go down, and we're really not seeing prices go down. We're seeing prices starting to stabilize a little bit more. They are up year over year a little bit as far as single family homes are concerned. If someone's looking for a condo, we're seeing a lot more inventory as far as condos are concerned. So that's what's going on in the market in Southeast Florida. So let's talk about purchasing in 2024. You're thinking, oh my gosh, I want to go start looking at houses. I want to buy something. But you need to slow your roll, okay? There's some things that you need to do to help get yourself ready. One of the things that you need to do to help get yourself ready is that you need to create a budget. You need to look at how much money are you making? How much are your expenses? How much are you spending every month to go out to eat? How much money are you spending at the grocery store? Are you going to the movies? Do you have to pay for childcare? What are all the expenses that you are spending your money on? And we need to take a look at what that budget is. Okay? So that's step number one, creating your budget. The other thing we need to do is we need to take a look at what is your credit. You can get a copy of your report. They'll give you a copy of your credit report. And there's sometimes if you have credit cards, they offer credit reporting. So you need to see where you are with your credit. It's going to be really important for you to make sure that your credit score is as high as possible. The higher your score is, the less your monthly payments are going to be, because lenders, banks, they reward people for having high credit scores. If your credit score is low, you're going to pay a premium to be able to get credit. So let's work on making sure that we raise your credit score as high as we can. Maybe it's paying off some of your debts, some of your credit cards. So credit's going to be important. The next thing you need to do is you need to talk to a mortgage lender. A mortgage lender is going to review the different things and different scenarios to help determine what you qualify as far as the amount of a mortgage, the amount of the property. Do you qualify for a $200,000 property? Do you qualify for a $1 million property? I don't know. The mortgage lender is going to be able to help determine what you qualify, and they're also going to give you an idea of what your monthly payments could be. So I mentioned earlier that interest rates are going down. We're seeing them fluctuate, that they're going down. So that's a good thing. That means it's going to cost you less money in your monthly payment to be able to purchase a home. We're also seeing different types of incentives that lenders are offering. They're helping to buy down rates. You're also looking at negotiating with sellers to buy down rates. So there's so many different options you can do. But remember, Number one is you need to do a budget. Number two, we need to take a look at what your credit score is. Number three, you're going to need to talk to a lender. Now, lender's going to ask you a couple questions. They're going to want to see a copy of your pay stubs. They want to see your bank statements. They're going to want to see your tax returns for the last 2 years. And with that information, they're going to get a better idea of what you qualify as far as a home purchase is concerned. So once you're pre-approved, then we can start looking at some properties and see what is available in the market when you're ready. But you need to be ready, and you need to follow these steps to get yourself ready. So really happy to help you move on to the next adventure. And my team, the Glorious House Real Estate team, is also ready to help you as well. So if you find this video helpful, I hope you will like it. And if you want to know more information on helping to prepare yourself to purchase and negotiate, I hope you will subscribe to our channel.